Hello students, welcome back and welcome to the next lesson of your online classes. And today we will continue with the same chapter of decimals as we were doing earlier. And now today let's discuss about the addition of decimal numbers. In the previous lecture we have discussed about various terms related to decimals, like how to write the numbers in expanded form, how to write it in the short form, how to write it in the fraction form, and many other things. Today we are going to start with a new topic, addition of decimal numbers. So let us check out how to add decimal numbers when it is given in different forms. So as you can see here, I have taken few examples from your book, and the three types of questions are there which is related to addition of decimal numbers. The rule for adding these numbers is somewhat same as we were doing with the normal numbers, as we were doing in our previous chapters, addition of normal numbers. It's like that only thing you have to take care of the decimal sign. Okay, so let us start doing the solution one by one. The first part, in which you have to add 7.035 with 8005.007. Third number is 91.71 and 15.9142. So we have to add these four numbers together using the addition operation. So let us see how to write these numbers very first in the format. So let us write these numbers which are given in the horizontal form in the vertical format. So writing up the numbers, very first I'll write the first number, which is 7.035. So this is our first number. Now we have to write the second number, which is 8005.007. Now since I said that you have to take care of the decimal sign, that means very first what you have to put is the decimal here. Now before decimal, what are the numbers? 5 at ones place, 0, 0, 8. So 8005 before decimal. After decimal we have 0, 0, 7. So this is how you have to write the numbers one below the other. The next number is 91.71. So once again let's put the decimal sign here, and before decimal we have 1 at ones place and 9 at the tens place. After decimal 7 and 1. Coming to the last number, which is 15.9142. So before decimal we have 5 at ones place and 1 at the tens place. After decimal we have 9142. So here you can see that we have written the number which are given in the horizontal form into its vertical format. The places which are left unoccupied, or you can say there are no numbers, you can fill them by writing zeros. So the empty places after decimals we have filled it by putting zeros. Okay, now you can start adding the numbers. Rule is same, start adding from the extreme right. Okay students, so let us start adding the numbers here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. What you will get? 2. Then 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Adding the next column, 9 plus 7, 16. 1 carry forward. As you can see we have decimal here, so this decimal will be copied at the same place. Now let's add the numbers which are before decimals. That means the integral part of the decimal number. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Plus 1, 19. 9 here, 1 carry forward. Let's check out once again. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Plus 1, 14. Plus 5, 19. Correct? So 9 will be here. 1 is carry forward. Next, 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 1, 11. So 1 will be here and the next one will be the carry forward. 1 plus 0 will give us 1 and the last digit 8 will be copied as it is. So our addition part is complete and the final answer is 8119.6662. So this is how you can add any decimal values, whether it is given in the horizontal form or the vertical form. I hope addition of the number by this method is clear to all of you. Okay students, so let's take some more example and the second part. The second part says you have to add 981.501 liter with 1439.915 liter and 6675.098 liters. So three terms which are in liters given to us and we have to add them. So let's do the solution. So this is your solution number 2, second solution. So the solution for the second number will be the same as we have done here. Only difference is here the terms given to us was just decimal numbers. Now the terms which are given is in liters, some volume which is in liter. So this is a capacity. Now let's add this up and writing up the first number 981.501 liter. Clear? Writing up the second number, decimal, and before decimal we have 9 at ones place, 3 at tens place, 4 at 100 place and 1 at the 1000 place. After decimal 915 liters. Clear? Writing up the third number. Before decimal we have 5 at ones place, 7 at tens place, 6 at 100 place and one more 6 at 1000 place. After decimals what we have? 098 liters. So now we have written the number in its vertical notation and let's add the numbers now. So very first the answer that we will get is in liter. It will be in liter. Now let's add this. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry forward. 5 plus 9, 14 plus 1, 15. Decimal 1 carry forward. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16. A carry forward. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 1, 19. 9 will be here. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 0 here and 2 will be the carry forward to the next place. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. So what is our final answer? 9096.514 liters. So this is the total of all these three individual terms when we have added the term. Clear students? So let's take one more example. And in this third part it is said that again three terms are given to you, as you can see here, the first value, second value and third value, and we have to add these three values. So very first let's write up here. What we will do very first? We will write the numbers in the vertical column, taking care of the decimals. Now here you can see that there is no decimal term in this third value. So what you will write? At this place, when there is no decimal and the term is given in milligrams, here you can see 37.84 milligrams. Here it is only 840 milligrams. So you can write this number as 840.00 milligrams. Fine, because if we put a decimal and after that if we write zeros, then also the value will be same. There will be no difference on this number value. Now let's write the numbers in its vertical format. So the first number is 897.003 milligram. The second number is decimal here. Ones place 7, 3. So it is 37.84 milligram. The third value is 840. So decimal is here 048. 840 milligram. The values which are vacant, or you can say left out, we will fill it them by zeros. So now once again we have written all the numbers in the vertical form. So let's start adding the numbers here. Very first, the answer which we will get will be in milligrams only. Now 3 plus 0 plus 0, what you will get? 3. 0 plus 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 8 plus 0, 8. Done? Coming to the integral part. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 0, 14. So 4 here, 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 1 carry forward. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 1, 17. So what is the total answer? 1774.843 milligrams. So this is how you can add any decimal term which is given to you in a very easy manner. I hope you have understood the concept very carefully. Kindly follow the same steps and solve the rest of the questions from your exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.